Hello students, let us continue exercise 6.4. We have already discussed question number 1 part A to O. Now we discuss P part. Find the LCM of the following by prime factorization 25, 40, 60. Now 25, 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5. Now 40, 2 2 is 4, 2 0 0, 2 1 is 2, 2 0 0, 2 5 is 10, 5 1 is 5. Now 60, 2 3 is 6, 2 0 0, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is 5. Prime factor of 25 can be write 5 multiply 5. Prime factor of 40 can be write 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Prime factor of 60 can be write 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now LCM of 25, 40, 60 is equal to, now we write maximum number of times of each factor. Maximum number of times of each factor. 2 occurs maximum number of times, that is 3 times. So we write 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 occurs maximum times, that is 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. And 3 occurs only 1 time. So we write 3. And 5 occurs maximum, that is 2 times. 5 occurs 2 times. So we write 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 25 2 is 50. 52 is 100. 2 3 is 6. 100 multiply 6, 600. Hence 600 is the LCM of 25, 40 and 60. This is your required answer. Again repeat, we write maximum number of times of each factor. 2 occurs 2 times and 2 occurs in this row 3 times. So we write 2 occurs 3 times. First, second, third. 2 occurs 3 times. We write maximum number of times of each factor, that is 2 into 2 into 2. And 3 occurs only 1 time. So we write 3. And 5 occurs 2 times. 1, 2. So we write maximum number of times of 5, that is 5 into 5. And their calculation is 600. This is your LCM of 25, 40 and 60. Now T part 30, 45, 75. 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is 5. 45, 5 9 is 45, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. 75, 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 5 5 is 25, 5 3 is 15, 3 1 is 3. Now prime factor of 30 can write 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. Prime factor of 45, 5 into 3 into 3. Prime factor of 45, 5 into 3 into 3. Prime factor of 75, 5 into 5 into 3. 5 into 5 into 3. LCM of 30, 45 and 75 is equal to, now we write maximum number of times of each factor. Here 2 only once time. So we write 2. And 3 occurs maximum times, that is 2 times. 3 into 3. So we write 3 into 3. And 5 occurs maximum times, that is 2 times. 5 into 5. We write maximum number of times of each factor. 2 occurs only 1 time. 3 occurs 2 times. And 5 occurs 2 times. So we write 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25. 25 2 is 50. 50 9 is 59 is 450. This is your required answer. This is your required answer. Now we discuss y part. Prime factor of 72 can be write 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3. Now for 96, 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3. Now 120, 2 6 is 12, 2 0 0, 2 3 is 6, 2 0 0, 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is 5. Now resolving the prime factor of 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 3 into 3. Resolving the prime factor of 96, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3, multiply 3. And resolving the prime factor of 120, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now LCM of 72, 96, 120 is equal to, now we write maximum number of times of each factor. 2 occurs 3 times, 2 occurs 5 times, 2 occurs 3 times. So maximum number of times 2 occurs, that is 5 times. So we write 2 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Now 3 occurs 2 times, 3 occurs 1 time, 3 occurs 1 time. So maximum number of time 3 occurs 2 times. So we write 3 into 3. 3 into 3. 5 occurs only 1 time. 5 occurs only 1 time. So we write 5 also. Now 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 16, 16, 16 2 ja 32, 32 multiply 5, 32 multiply 5, 5 2 ja 10, carry 1, 5 3 ja 15 plus 1, 16, 3 3 ja 9, 160 multiply 9, that is 1440. This is your required LCM of 72, 96 and 120. Now do question number 1 in your fair notebook. Thank you.